Okay, so here I am on the W3C Markup Validation Service website, Validator.w3.org. So this is where you can go to validate your HTML and make sure that it checks out and that there aren't any validation issues. So really just to make sure that you're following web standards. So all you need to do here is just type in a web address and you'll get back information about how valid your code is. Now let's pick on the USU website. Check. Awesome. This document was successfully checked as XHTML 1.0 transitional. Now you'll notice that what it did is it checked the document against its doc type declaration. So when we first set up our HTML document, you remember we did a doc type declaration, and for HTML5 we just do HTML, we just do a very simple doc type declaration. Now older pages were set up using the older XHTML standard, and they set up the doc type declaration as XHTML 1.0 transitional. And so here you can see whatever you set as the doc type is what it'll be validated against. So the USU website was actually validated against the XHTML 1.0 transitional standard. Now, if we wanted to see how it compares against the XHTML5 standard, well then we could always go there and revalidate. So let's try that. So it doesn't quite measure up on an HTML5 validation, which is okay because it's not telling the browser that it is HTML5. But if there are problems, then you can scroll down and you can see what those problems are. So here it'll describe the various lines in the HTML page where a problem was identified, and then you can go through in the code and you can find that line and you can go in and you can fix the things up that were flagged.